Line right here. That was behind here. This is the axle. 2003 Ford Escort ZX2. And it was right here, or the other way around. It was like this. As you can see, it was right hooked up in here, screwed up, and then the other side to there. And the leak was right here, the opening. So when I stepped on the brakes, I had my wife step on the brake, it shot up. It shot up that way like a stream of brake fluid. Then when I tried to put it on again, sealed this side up, this side started leaking. So I put that stuff to put it on, see what happened. So I went into AutoZone. This was straight. It's like, I think 30 inches. And it was straight, and I bent it. Here's one of the tools that I used to bend it, and here's the other one right here. And then I used, finally, to get to this point right here, all that. See how it's bent? As you can see, I used this tool right here to get in here and bent it as much as I could to get it to the point, so that way I just put it on. So here I am, I'm going to install this one. Okay, put that right there. Screw it in. And it's not quite exactly bent the way the original one is. It doesn't really matter. As long as you can bend it close enough so that way it'll be to the point that you can put it in. Now, I'm screwing it in from this side here. And that's how it looks right now. As you can see, if I could stick it in there, I could just go there and just stick it in and put it on. Solid brake line right here. As you can see, these are the two lines. This goes to the right, this goes to the left, and that's the one to the left. Go to the left, rear drum. Alright, let me get that tool that I used to put it back, and there it is right here. This is the tool you have to use. This is the one, and it's a 10mm on this side. It's the one that screws this up. So, put that in there, and just start turning it down. Alright, that one's drawn good. Screw this one on. As you can see, it goes in right there, and it's in, and just turn it. And it's going in. That's it. Let's tighten that up. And make sure that's in good, and put brake fluid in it, and go from there.